A very good afternoon. It is Monday, September 13, 2021. We will continue Unit 8 with mathematics, all about time. Today, about comparing duration of time.
Good afternoon. It's mathematics time. Okay, today we will continue Unit 8. It's all about time and telling time and duration of time. And today it will be about comparing duration of time. Sounds difficult, but it's actually not that difficult. Okay, let's start with a few vocabulary words. And this time the words are all in the past tense. So we're going to compare a couple of words from the past tense to the present tense. Okay, so let's start with vocabulary. Okay, the first three words. Number one, drove. The word is drove. Drove. This is a word in the past tense. You can say yesterday I drove, not today I drove. Yes, or you can say in the morning I drove. What is the present tense for this word? Who knows? Yes, the present tense is drive. Like I drive my car. Today I drive my car. Or now I'm driving my car. Yesterday I drove my car. So drove is the past tense for drive. Okay, number two. W-E-N-T. Went. Went. I went to the market. But what if I do it now? What do I say? I go to the market. So went is the past tense for go. I went to the market. I go to the market. I am going to the market. Okay, number three. Spent. S-P-E-N-T. Spent. Spent. I spent all my money on candy. That's in the past tense. I did it yesterday. I spent all my money yesterday. But what if you do it today? It's almost the same, only not with a T, but with a D. So, yesterday I spent my money. Today I spend my money. And I am spending my money. Okay? So one more time. Drove, drive. Went, go. Spent, spend. Okay, let's look at three more words in the past tense. Okay, three more. Well, actually five more because these are two words. Let's start with this one. Number four. L-E-F-T. Left. Left. We had this word before, but it has different meanings. Nah? You can say I turn left, the opposite of turning right. But you can also say I left the house yesterday. What is the present tense for the word left? Right, leave. I leave the house today. I left the house yesterday. Right? Okay, how about number five? Woke up. Woke up. I woke up at 6 o'clock. What is the present tense for woke? Right, wake. Wake. I woke up at 6 o'clock. Tomorrow I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then number six, fell asleep. F-E-L-L-A-S-L-E-E-P. Fell asleep. Fell is the past tense for the word. Right, fall. Fall. So I fell asleep last night at 9 p.m. Tonight I will fall asleep at 11 p.m. Okay, one more time. Left, past tense, present tense, leave. Woke up, wake up. Past tense, present tense. Fell asleep, fall asleep. Past tense, present tense. Okay, underline and let's have a look at our math class for today. Okay, let's have a look at our lesson for today. It's all about time and duration of time and comparing duration of time. We will need our math book, and please go to page 128. Okay, so we'll have a closer look at page 128, then I will do some explaining, and then we're gonna look at one more example. Okay, so page 128, we start at the top. Let's go.
So look at the top of page 128. Let's read. Sally left home at 7:40 hours and took 1 hour and 27 minutes to reach an exhibition. An exhibition is like a place where you look at paintings, but not for a long time, for a short time. So maybe 1 or 2 weeks you can look at paintings or pictures. That's an exhibition. So Sally left at 7:40 and took 1 hour and 27 minutes to reach an exhibition. Somsak also went there. He left home at 7:55 hours and he arrived at the exhibition at 9:15. Now, who took a longer time to reach the exhibition? Now, in order to find out, we need to count the amount of hours and minutes Somsak took, because we know Sally took 1 hour and 27 minutes. So we already knew that Sally took 1 hour and 27 minutes to reach the exhibition. Let's see how long Somsak took. So Somsak left at 7:55. Now, if we add 1 hour to that, we are at 8:55. So 8:55, that's 1 hour. And then we just count how many minutes it is from 8:55 to 9:15. That is 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes. So we know Somsak took 1 hour and 20 minutes to reach the exhibition. And Sally took 1 hour and 27 minutes to reach the exhibition. Now, and the question was, who took the longest to reach the exhibition? Now, Somsak took 1 hour and 20 minutes. Sally took 1 hour and 27 minutes. So we know that Sally took 7 minutes more than Somsak to reach the exhibition. Somsak took 7 minutes less than Sally to reach the exhibition. So the answer is Sally took a longer time to reach the exhibition. Okay, let me explain to you one more time.
So let's have another look at that. So we know Sally left home at 7:40 and it took her 1 hour and 27 minutes to reach the exhibition. So we know that 7:40 plus 1 hour and 27 minutes is the time that she arrived. So 7:40, 8:40, and then 27 minutes. So what time did Sally arrive? Sally arrived at 9:07. Okay, now what's his name? Somsak. Somsak left home at 7:55 and he arrived at 9:15. So how can we find out who was faster? Now we just count. How many hours and minutes is it from 7:55 to 9:15? So 7:55, 8:55. So 1 hour. We know it's 1 hour. 1 hour. Whoop. Now teacher cannot write anymore. Huh? 1 hour And how many minutes is it from 8:55 to 9:15? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So 1 hour and 20 minutes. 1 hour, 20 minutes. So now we know the answer. It took Sally 1 hour and 27 minutes to get there. And it took Somsak 1 hour and 20 minutes to get there. So it took Sally 7 minutes more to get to the exhibition. Now, it's not so difficult, but let's have a look at another one.
Okay, now something about your favorite thing to do, especially the boys. Computer games. Okay, let's read the next one. Eden, David, and Abe started to play computer games at 3:25 p.m. Eden played games for 1 hour and 25 minutes. David and Abe finished playing computer games at 4:45 p.m. and 4:34 p.m. What we do now, arrange in ascending order, starting from the one who took the shortest time to play computer games. Remember, ascending means go up, descending means go down. Now let's have a look at how long everybody played. So we know that Eden played 1 hour and 25 minutes. She started at 3:25, same as the other two, and she finished at 4:50. So she played 1 hour and 25 minutes. David played for 1 hour and 20 minutes because he stopped at 4:45. So from 3:25 to 4:25 is 1 hour, and then he played 20 minutes more. So 1 hour and 20 minutes. Abe played games for 1 hour and 9 minutes because he stopped at 4:34. So from 3:25 to 4:34 is 1 hour and 9 minutes. We can also say Eden played for 1 hour and 25 minutes or 85 minutes. David played for 1 hour and 20 minutes or 80 minutes. And Abe played for 1 hour, 9 minutes or 69 minutes. So let's see how to write it in ascending from the shortest to the longest time. So Eden took 5 minutes more than David, and Abe took 11 minutes less than David to play computer game. So we know Abe took the shortest time to play computer games, and Eden took the longest time to play computer games. So we start with Abe, 69 minutes, then David, 80 minutes, and then Eden, 1 hour and 25 or 85 minutes. So that is the solution. Something you should remember, you can write an H for hours and MIN for minutes. So if you see somewhere 1H, it means 1 hour. Okay, good stuff.
Okay, I hope it's not too hard. I don't think it's too hard. Have another look at these two examples nah? Of Sally and Somsak and the three kids, Eden, David and Abe. And compare the times. Nah? Count how many hours and how many minutes the difference is. So practice that a little bit and then we continue this in our next math class. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow in the morning for part 2 of our reading about Dr. Snow and then some questions. And then tomorrow afternoon we'll have a Zoom class. Okay? So, see you tomorrow. Take care.